Men, their views on health have created a lot of controversy within society. Traditionally, men are more skeptical of a doctor's visit and medical examinations for various reasons that cannot be explained. In light of this, the American University of Antigua, AUA, in collaboration with JCI Antigua, will hold the first ever Men's Health Day on Saturday, 7th July at the AUA campus. Director of Emergency Medicine and Clinical Stimulation at AUA, Vernon Solomon, says the event will focus on the overall health of men and ignite awareness about the major illnesses affecting them. He adds that there are 10 diseases that are most likely to affect men in Antigua and Barbuda. He details some of the procedures that will take place on the day.
So we're hoping that when they do come, we can start off with the history and take some vital information on their lifestyle and looking at them initially, their vital signs, doing glucose and cholesterol testing, things of that nature, to be able to get some baseline information and then look at the history also. So once we have that information, then we'll be able to realize what additional screenings may actually need to be done. So that's where it'll start off. The individuals will come on scene, they'll be greeted by one of our students, then some history information will be taken, their vitals, their glucose, cholesterol as mentioned. Then they'll sit down with some of our physicians, local physicians as well. They'll do a more detailed screening, history, and then determine whether or not they need to have, for example, the prostate screening or the cholesterol screening.
Managing Director of Mind Move Antigua and fitness instructor Sumita Baluja says fitness, health and wellness will be merged together during the day's activities.
I normally work with a lot of independent contractors, fitness professionals. So on the day, we're actually going to be providing every man that takes place, that interacts and comes for the assessment. We're going to be providing them with a CD that they can take home.
Wow.
And in that CD, we are going to be featuring nutritional advice. And that comes from Mount St. John, Samantha Moit, the dietitian, working along with Paradise Fitness, Scott Potter. He's also going to be doing a 10-minute sort of routine in which persons can start, just move for 10 minutes. Yoga Antigua is providing stretching, specifically for men because they have more problem areas than do women. And then very important, and as a result of my affiliation with AUA, Dr. Rice, who is the psychologist, we sat and we did a 10-15-minute breathing and meditation segment, which is extremely important and often forgotten.
The event will be informative and interactive, and each person who attends will receive individual and special attention.